Benvenuti! Welcome to our virtual journey through the enchanting region of Tuscany, Italy, where history, art, and culinary delights meet to create a truly unforgettable travel experience. In this video, we will explore the iconic cities of Florence and Cortona, offering you a glimpse into the rich cultural tapestry that defines this picturesque corner of the world. Tuscany, with its rolling hills, vineyards, and medieval towns, is a destination that captures the hearts of travelers from around the globe. Florence, the capital of Tuscany, is renowned for its Renaissance art and architecture, including the iconic Duomo and the Uffizi Gallery. Meanwhile, the charming hilltop town of Cortona, with its winding streets and panoramic views, exudes a timeless charm that beckons visitors to explore its hidden gems. As we explore some of the historical landmarks, transportation options, and local cuisine of Tuscany, Florence and Cortona, get ready to be captivated by the beauty and allure of this region. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or a foodie looking to savor authentic Italian flavors, Tuscany has something for everyone. So sit back, relax, and join us on this voyage through the wonders of Tuscany, where every site tells a story of centuries past. Picture-perfect vineyards, rolling hills dotted with cypress trees, and medieval towns frozen in time await you in this enchanting region. Tuscany's charm lies in its ability to transport you to a bygone era, where history and tradition blend seamlessly with modern-day comforts. From the iconic Leaning Tower of Pisa to the majestic Florence Cathedral, the region is a treasure trove of famous landmarks that will leave you in awe of its architectural splendor. But Tuscany is not just about history and art. It's also an exciting getaway for outdoor enthusiasts and food lovers alike. Indulge in a wine-tasting tour through the renowned Chianti vineyards, or lace up your hiking boots for a trek through the scenic countryside. The region's diverse activities cater to all interests, ensuring that every traveler finds something to delight in. So whether you're seeking a cultural experience, a road trip, a culinary adventure, or simply a moment of tranquility amidst nature's beauty, Tuscany beckons you to explore its wonders and create memories that will last a lifetime. Now, on to the capital of Tuscany. Welcome to Florence, the cultural and artistic hub of Tuscany, where every cobblestone street and Renaissance masterpiece tells a story of creativity and innovation. Indulge yourself in the city's vibrant art scene, from the world-famous Uffizi Gallery, home to masterpieces by Botticelli and Leonardo da Vinci, to the iconic statue of Michelangelo's David, a symbol of both beauty and perfection. As you wander through Florence's enchanting streets, get ready to be amazed by its architectural wonders. Marvel at the grandeur of the Florence Cathedral, with its striking dome, designed by Brunelleschi, and cross the historic Ponte Vecchio, a bridge lined with charming shops that beckon you to take in a stroll. No visit to Florence is complete without savoring in the local cuisine that's sure to tantalize the taste buds. From hearty ribollita soup and succulent bistecca alla Fiorentina to the creamy delights of gelato from artisanal shops, Florence offers a culinary journey that celebrates the flavors of Tuscany. Soak in the beauty of Florence, where art, history, and gastronomy converge to create an unforgettable experience that will leave you awestruck and inspired. Next, the city of Cortona. Nestled amidst the rolling hills of Tuscany, Cortona beckons travelers to discover its beauty and tranquility, offering a glimpse into a world where time seems to stand still. Wander through the charming medieval streets, lined with stone buildings, adorned with colorful shutters, and soak in the panoramic views of the Tuscan countryside that stretch as far as the eye can see. With a history that dates back to its Etruscan roots, Cortona is a town steeped in historical significance. Explore the ancient walls that once protected the town and delve into its rich past, where each cobblestone whispers tales of bygone eras. To truly savor the essence of Cortona, be sure to indulge in the local trattorias that serve up authentic Tuscan flavors and wines. From delectable crostini to savory peachy, alaglione, and robust Chianti wines, the culinary offerings of Cortona are a true reflection of the region's gastronomic heritage. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat amidst nature or a cultural exploration of a town with a storied past, Cortona invites you to uncover its hidden treasures and experience the magic of Tuscany in its purest form. Cortona is a great place to wind down, relax, and rejuvenate. Getting around. When it comes to exploring the picturesque region of Tuscany, having the right transportation options can make all the difference in creating a seamless and memorable travel experience. Here are some tips to guide you on navigating the diverse landscapes of Tuscany. Renting a car is a popular choice for travelers looking to explore Tuscany at their own pace and venture off the beaten path. With well-maintained roads and scenic routes, driving through the rolling hills and vineyards of Tuscany offers a sense of freedom and flexibility that allows you to tailor your itinerary to suit your own preferences. A motorbike or bicycle can also be an option. For those looking to travel between major cities like Florence and Pisa, the efficient train connections in Tuscany provide a convenient and stress-free option. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the picturesque views as you journey from one iconic destination to another with ease. When it comes to shorter distances within towns like Cortona, utilizing local buses or taxis can be a convenient and cost-effective way to navigate the narrow streets and steep hills. Whether you're exploring historical landmarks or seeking out local eateries, these transportation options offer a hassle-free way to get around and make the most of your time in Tuscany. The food of this region is absolutely fantastic and a sheer delight to the palate. Tuscan cuisine is characterized by its simplicity, with emphasis on high-quality local ingredients, often locally sourced, such as seasonal produce, breads, meats, and cheeses, prepared with traditional methods. Our journey would not be complete without mentioning a few of these dishes that highlight the robust flavors typical of the Tuscan countryside. Indulge in classic dishes that have stood the test of time, such as ribollita, a hearty vegetable and bread soup that warms the soul, papa al pomodoro, a rustic tomato and bread soup bursting with Mediterranean flavors, and bistecca alla fiorentina, a mouth-watering T-bone steak grilled to perfection and served with a drizzle of olive oil. Or try the pollo alla diavola, a spicy grilled chicken marinated in herbs and chili and cooked until crispy. Central to Tuscan cooking is the use of fresh, local ingredients that showcase the region's agricultural abundance. From ripe tomatoes and fragrant herbs to extra virgin olive oil and aged cheeses, each ingredient plays a vital role in creating the vibrant flavors that define Tuscan cuisine. To truly savor the essence of Tuscan cuisine, we recommend visiting local markets to sample seasonal produce and artisanal products, and dining at trattorias that specialize in traditional dishes made with love and care. Whether you're a food enthusiast or simply looking to experience the authentic flavors of Tuscany, the culinary delights of the region are sure to leave a lasting impression on your palate. As we come to the end of our journey through Tuscany, Florence, and Cortona, let's recap the main highlights that make this region a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a blend of history, culture, and culinary delights. From the picturesque landscapes and medieval towns of Tuscany to the renowned art scene and architectural marvels of Florence, and the hidden gems and tranquility of Cortona, each corner of this region offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Whether you're drawn to the historical landmarks, diverse activities, or local cuisine, Tuscany has something for everyone to enjoy. From exploring the charming streets of Florence and Cortona to savoring authentic Tuscan flavors and wines, the region invites you to immerse yourself in its beauty and culture. We encourage you to start planning your trip to Tuscany and discover the magic of this enchanting region firsthand. Don't miss the opportunity to create lasting memories and experience for yourself in the rich tapestry of Tuscany's history and traditions. If you've enjoyed this virtual journey, consider subscribing to our channel for more adventures around this wide world of wonder, adventure, and culture. Let's explore the world together and uncover the wonders that await us in every corner of the globe. Until next time, ciao.